Couture comes to Mary Robinson Secondary School. Hold on to your beanie hats, everyone. Let's get started. Here comes Hannah, dressed in her ensemble. Used to be her granny's nightie.
Here comes Fiacra. And Spud. And Daisy.
And here comes Asheen.
The bees! People, we've got to save the bees.
Dressed as whatever he's dressed as.
It's us next.
You can see your scars. You okay with that?
Yeah. They're marks of survival.
Last up, Louise and Jess.
Let's do this.
That's my top.
Amazing. Oh my god, just both look gorgeous. But anyway, I think I won because I did dress half the skill and I do think my outfits are weirder. But you're definitely a close second.